How to remove payment method on iPhone. If you want to remove your payment method on iPhone, it's very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to go ahead and then first of all open up the settings application and tap on your Apple ID profile, which is at the very top of the screen. When we tap on our Apple ID, these are the options you'll see. Go to the one that says payment and shipping and then just tap on it. When you go to payment and shipping, it will ask you for a Face ID verification, and after that you will see a couple of payment method that you've added. So once you find this payment method, you'll also find the option to delete them. So depending upon whatever payment method, now you must make sure though that you do not have any active subscriptions. Why? Because if you have an active subscription, you need a card or a payment method, more importantly, to be able to process the payment for your subscription. So if you want to remove the current one, you have a subscription, in that case you can add another card by tapping on the add card button, and then you should be able to follow up with the changes. So these are the ways on how you can remove your payment method on iPhone, and also be careful if you have a subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.